Hey, hello, assalamu alaikum. I will telling about a heat seal machine and heat press systems. First of all, you find these your machines. First of all, you set up these your machines is 1050. It is 150 degrees Celsius and 20 uh, 12 seconds is press these machines and three cases. Set up this machine and press this green button. Here this machine is 12 seconds. Now I will check this fabric. Okay, and fabric is very hot, and this is the heat seal put in this machine. And press this green button, pressing systems, and wait this 20 seconds or 12 seconds. You will adjust your machine is exactly 12 to 20 seconds and wait, and its machine automatically open side. So you know that is your machine setuping system. Machine setuping system is datasheet. Now it's a completed systems. Now heat seal is pressing. Now you show you this one, not a gallery system. Now it's very hot. So I will system is very water systems. So not put in this area. I want his school. When in school, I will leave this one. Okay, okay, not the cool. It's a very flat. And this message temperature start is what? Okay, I will clear this one. It's a very simple automatically. Okay, nice. Okay, nice systeming seal systems. You know that is your steel systems. Thank